You have to try it to believe it. Hello everybody, my name is Zeva and I'm from Indonesia. Amongst other things that I do, I am also a sustainability content creator on YouTube. In this video, I am collaborating with Friends for Leadership specifically to highlight the importance of SDG 2, UN food systems, and the significance of sustainability within our consumption patterns. I'm going to be showing you how to make Gado Gado. Gado Gado is an Indonesian salad. It originally was developed by the Betawi ethnicity of North Jakarta, specifically Tugu village. There are many variations of Gado Gado across the country, but it was originally developed in Betawi. This can be a vegan-friendly dish, but originally it does contain eggs, and I'm going to be putting in eggs to preserve the authenticity. But if you're vegan, just skip the eggs and you'll be fine. Personally, I really like Gado Gado, especially if the peanut sauce is made to my liking. Whenever I lived abroad back in the day, if I really crave for Indonesian food and I find an Indonesian restaurant, this is the first thing that I will pick off the menu. So I'm going to show you how to make it. There is no one best way to do it. There are various ways to prepare it, but I guarantee for this one, the peanut sauce is nice. Let's start. You will need 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, lettuce approximately 8 layers, 1 cucumber, 100 grams of long beans, 100 grams of bean sprouts, some cabbage amount to your liking, lontong or rice patties, 1 board of tempeh, yellow tofu, 400 ml of coconut milk, or you can also go up to 700, 200 grams of ground peanuts. You're gonna have to fry this later, or you can also purchase an already fried ground peanuts, 4 pieces of lime leaves, 4 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of brown sugar. The curly red chilies are optional, but I'm going to be putting in 4 pieces, and max I would recommend up to 8 pieces of red chilies, and 3 centimeters of galangal, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of tamarind, and half a teaspoon of baked shrimp paste or terasi, 2 teaspoons of salt. To saute, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use other kinds of oil, but I'm going to be opting for extra virgin olive oil instead. This is supplementary or complementary. I'm going to be using quail eggs. You can also use other types of eggs. For the crackers, I'm going to be frying melinjo crackers, or we call it emping, or you can also use shrimp crackers. And I'm also going to be frying some shallots to taste. I have chopped up in chunks the cabbages, the long beans, the carrots, and also the potatoes, and I'm going to be boiling this in hot water. While we wait for the water to boil, I'm going to be cutting up the cucumber and also the lettuce. I roughly cut up the lettuce and also the cucumber, but I'm not going to boil it, so I'm just going to set this aside, and now let's boil the rest. I'm gonna take some water for the bean sprouts to soak in. While we wait, I'm going to be frying these ground nuts, ground peanuts. You don't need oil for this. Peanuts are done, and this is also done as well. I'm going to be putting this into that, and we're going to let this cool at the side. I have chopped up the tofu and also the tempeh, and now I'm going to pour in the garlic sauce. This is to give extra flavor. Remember the tamarind or the asam jawa that we prepared earlier? Well, I'm going to be making this into a liquid by putting in 3 spoons of hot water. This is how you get all the essence out from the tamarind seeds and the meat around it. Let's make the base sauce. I'm gonna put in chilies and then 4 cloves of garlic, 3 centimeters of galangal, and the shrimp paste. Put in a bit of water. To get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. But now I'm gonna be putting in the nuts that we've already fried earlier. Miles of road just to get where you are. Fry until it is dry, but not burnt, so like this. Next step, let's fry the base sauce first. So I'm gonna put in a bit of olive oil. We can break the distance. Put in the peanut sauce. The brown sugar or the jaggery. Put in the sweet soy sauce. It feels like we got stranded. A bit of white sugar and salt. I'm using sea salt, by the way. This is not those nasty table salt. Out a screen cutting through buckets. Put in the tamarind sauce without the seeds, so just the sauce. Extract and stir occasionally until it gets a thick texture. Last but not least, I'm gonna be cooking the melinjo crackers. These are all the things that we've prepared, and now what we have to do is to lay it out beautifully per plate. You being here, oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance. How will you please help me? When you eat gado gado, of course you need to mix it so the peanut sauce is mixed well. This is a delicious mess. You have to try it to believe it. These are the emping or the melinjo crackers. So after I mix it together, I then put the crackers on top. And this is gado gado from Indonesia. Okay, I'm getting carried away. This is really good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Do try this at home, and I'll see you in the next video.